That first sale on eBay doesn't have to be a dream. Let's make it your reality, starting right now. First, head to ebay.com and look for the register link. Typically found in the top left corner of the page, you'll be presented with a form to create your personal account. Choose an email address you use regularly. As this is how eBay will verify your account and communicate with you, create a strong, unique password to keep your new business venture secure. Now select your eBay username carefully. This is your public identity. The name customers will see and remember. Make it professional and easy to recall, avoiding personal details like your full name. eBay will send a verification code to your email or phone. Enter this code on the website to confirm you're a real person and activate your account. With your personal account active, it's time to switch to a seller account. Look for a prompt on your main dashboard or in your account settings to upgrade your status. eBay requires this information to comply with U.S. tax regulations. This step is mandatory for all sellers. Your data is protected and securely submitted to the IRS for tax reporting purposes. This is how you get paid. Link your checking account directly to eBay. When a buyer pays for an item, the funds will be processed and deposited here, typically within a couple of business days. That's it. You've officially built your foundation. Your digital storefront is open, and you're ready to list your first item and start your selling journey. Your American dream is just a listing away. What will you sell first?